Much later. Many months later.
Hi friends, let me show you some things about this tripod, Gorilla Pod. So it's like really good quality. It's not like cheap plastic, it's a good quality plastic. And this rubber thing you're seeing, it's of rubber, so it's like durable. So if you can see, like it's worn out here, this is like this. This is also a bit worn out. So it's because I have been using this for more than a year now, and I know it's really good quality. If it's lasting for more than a year at costing of rupees 400 only, you know that it's a good product. So yeah, this is really good. So it's like it not broke, it's like these parts just come off, if you see. So this got loose after so much of use, so that is there, but it's like, you see, it's not that used, it's still not moving that much. So after a year or so you can expect that, but it's fine. You can 400 rupees working for a year, more than a year, it's fine. So let me show you. So this is it. This is the, so you can put it like this. Put it anywhere you want. So let me put my phone on this and show you. So this is iPhone SE. If you want, you can see the unboxing, and yeah, I think you will like the cover if you're a Friends fan. And release for Friends reunion movies nearby. If you're a Friends fan, you will know that. So this is it. So you can put it anywhere, anyhow you want. So this you can put it like this. So you must be thinking, if it's like this, I can't make a portrait video. You're wrong. And this is done. Like, I'm not doing too much of efforts and putting it to the right position. So now you can see, do it like this. It's in portrait mode. So this is the done. Now you can also, what you can do, you can remove this, take care of your phone clearly, nicely, and you can put it like this as well. There is a hole this side also. So now it's even easier to put in portrait mode like this. Let me do right. So yep, this is mostly for, like, you see, if I turn my phone, it will be a selfie stick. You can do that as well from this. So this is multiple uses. You can use it anywhere, anyhow. And yeah, I'll be soon doing a comparison of a Gorilla Pod and gimbal, so you can wait for that. And if you're watching this after a long time of this posting of this video, it's already on my YouTube, then you can watch that as well. If you wanna check if you should buy a gimbal or tripod, gimbal pod. So this is it about this. So what you can do, I can also show you some things. So let's just remove it for now. So you can even put it so that this is a table. So I'm just putting it right here, if you see. So it's on a table. You put your cell phone here, perfect. This is it. Like, do some mehnat on setting it up. 2 on down, 1 on up. This should also work. So let me show you 1, 2 or more, 3 places where you can use this. So now you can see I set it up. So imagine where it is right now. So it is on nothing but a pipe. Put it here, make time lapse. I did that a lot, and used to keep it higher places also. So you can put it here. So this is a wall, and it's like keeping it like here, like this, can get risky because if wind blows, your phone will be blown away and your life too. So what you can do, it can fix it right here like this also. Done. Make videos, man. Now people also, I have also seen many people doing cinematic with this because that's doable also. So I'll show you some cinematic things you can do. So simple. Let me turn on the camera. Camera. So I think it's not. Yeah, it's visible. Yeah, visible. So holding it like this, cinematic. So if you want close, but if you will do it with your hand, so हाथ यहाँ पे थोड़ा फंसता है. So what you can do, you can just go inside the tree. What I'll do, I'll record this video and post it side. So let me just show you how to do cinematic with this. So I'm shooting a slow motion, so it's ready, and now I'm not even watching it right now. I'll just post it on this video side by side, maybe when I'll edit, it'll plan. So that all you can do with this tripod, gorrila pod, and it can move like this. It is flexible, like it does yoga every morning. Comment down if you are also flexible. So guys, that was it. You can also, I forgot to show this, you can also move it around anywhere, around. So you can shoot anything with this small mini thing. So this is the review, this is the unboxing and everything. And yeah, now you can buy this. If you have any question, any doubts regarding this, you can comment down and let me know if you wanna see that gimbal versus gorrila pod. Anyways, I will most probably make it, but yeah, support me if you wanna see that really soon. So yeah, subscribe to the channel, like, share. If you know someone who is looking for a tripod, you can share that video with them, and it's not that costly. Believe me, tripods go for thousands of rupees. It's just 400 rupees. So it's a really good product. And yeah, thank you for watching. Take care, have a nice day. Stay safe, stay inside if it's a lockdown period, if it's COVID, at the time you're watching the video. Take care, bye bye. Any questions, anything, take care and just have fun. If you buy this, let me know, ping me on Instagram and tell me how was your experience. Yeah, let me show you one more thing, breaking it one more time. It's like langda. I don't know if it can work on 2 legs, but it can't. It needs 3. Again fixed, joint. It got a bit loose after a year and so. Thank you guys for watching. Take care, bye bye.